Assalamualaikum, my name is HADFIZ bin Muhammad ZAKI, metric number AA 190500. So I will start the presentation with the introduction. So what is a dam? A dam is a structure that limits or prevents the passage of water. Dam created reservoir not only to protect floods but also provide water for agricultural, human consumption, industrial use and aquaculture. Hydropower is frequently utilized in conjunction with dams to generate electricity. A dam also can be used to collect or store water that can be distributed equally between locations. Dams are frequently used to confine water, whereas floodgates or dikes are used to limit or prohibit water flow into a specific geographical zone. And the next one is material used to build a dam. Material used to build a dam is rock, earth, tailings from mine or mining, concrete, masonry, steel, timber, and other materials such as plastic or rubber, and any combination of these materials are used in a dam construction. Next one is the process. Dam construction is frequently complex and necessitates the participation of a diverse group of professionals from several professions. In very broad terms, the typical sequence of events for a dam construction is as follows. So the first one is the river diversion, next is foundation, after that is building the dam, and the last one is post construction. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Syahrunnizam. My name is Muhammad Haiqal bin Syahrunnizam, AA 190109. And as for today, I will be presenting to you regarding with the equipments that are used to build the dam. Actually, there are 4 equipments that are used to build the dam, which is excavators, loaders, crane, and also concrete vibrators. And let's take a look at the first equipments, which is excavators. So actually, excavators are the equipment that are used to dig the tunnel so that the natural route of the rivers will be diverted away from the area of the construction site. And the second equipments are the loaders. In order to build the dam, the loaders will carry the debris from the site and put it away at a specific area that are assigned, such as a bank. And the third equipment that are used to build the dam is crane. During the process of building the dam, the crane will carry out concrete into the site, and it will be built at a strategic location where it can cover the area that are needing the concrete mixture, and the crane will carry a loaded bucket full of concrete mixture to the area needed. And last but not least is the concrete vibrators. The concrete vibrators will be used so that there are no air bubbles trapped in the concrete. And that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad IKRAM. So saya akan menerangkan tentang teknologi in dam. So when I research about the technology in dam, we found that we have a 2 technology: hydraulic powers and fish ladder. This is my method that I'm gonna explain it. Okay. Hydraulic power is what is hydraulic power? Hydraulic power is a form of energy that can produce electric from hydropower. It is a renewable resource which can never be extinct. Okay. For tubing and generator, this is function to produce electric. So how we produce electric? Okay, the energy of the flowing water is converted into the mechanic energy by the hydraulic tubing, and this mechanic energy is converted into electricity by the hydraulic power generator. So we have electricity. About the reuse water, this method we use when during the night. One of the method is to use a pump storage, which reusing the same water several times. When the customer demand is low, the pump storage were used by pumping water that already run through the tubing back up the storage above the power plant, so there will be no waste electricity and energy during the night. Okay, fish ladder. Okay, about technology fish ladder. Fish ladder, also known as a fish route, each function to help migration of the fish. When we build a dam, there will be pros and cons to the nature. The cons for the fish is that fish cannot pass to the river because there will be a dam to block them, to block it. So this fish ladder help fish to pass through the dam. Okay. Number 3 is all fish ladder work on the same principle, which is the ladder has a series of an increasing pool are reached by the swimming against the currents of water. There are 3 types of the fish ladder: the push and wear, push and chart, and the vertical slope. Okay, so about fish ladder, so you can see there are 3 pictures about different type of fish ladder. Firstly, pull and wear fish way. It is generally used for small dam. It's to build it requires low cost. Okay, about the second one is pull and chart fish way. Have a wider and shorter pull. This fish ladder have a center notch and the slope where that extends to the fishway wall. It can attract a migrant fish because this fish will create a strong jack. Fish have an option to use a notch in central notch or use a hole there. Okay, about the vertical slope fishway. Between the pole, vertical slope fishway provide a full dip. Have advantage being self-regulating and operation without adjustment across the entire range of design flow. Pool dip rise flow increase volume in the pool increase, which allowing for the necessary energy dissipating. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HAFIZ bin SHAHROL, number metric AA190280. Okay, today I want to talk about the issues of the constructions of them, and there are 3 issues that I want to present. Okay, the first issue is all dam. Okay, throughout world history, hundreds of dam failure have been recorded. These failures have caused emissions, property, and environmental damage. When the dam's age increase, the potentials for dam's failure will be happen. For example, the old dam structure will cause cracking, failure of piping system when there are low maintenance, and also landslides if the deforestation still occur around the building. Okay, second issue is climate change. Okay, with the unbalancing weather of Earth, like heavy rains, will increase the water level. So flash flood will be occur, especially at the downstream area. The dam will not accommodate the water, and control gate of the dam had to be opened to avoid damage due to high pressure from the water. And last point is aquatic ecosystem. While energy and water requirement in developing countries are produced, the risk to aquatic system will be treated. Besides, the animal like sea fish will come to freshwater to lay eggs. Later on, they return to sea with new young fish. So, a dam built in this way will cause death in a mass capture because the dam does not have a surface to protect the animals to cross the dam safely, and it will interrupt the life cycle of this animal. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.